Yay. Wow. Wow. Perfect.
Ang tamis na ito sa loob. Okay! Today I'm gonna teach my mom how to make pork belly in the oven. I'm gonna get it ready the night before we're gonna cook it. But super simple ingredients. Mother. Salt, whole peppercorns, garlic, and onions. Preferably red onions, but whatever your pantry have or has. So use this instead. But this is pork belly, skin on. And then we'll get it going. Pork belly. 2 ways. Okay. Alright. First, do this. What?
Oh.
No. You can use a Specialized tool. Links below. Amazon store.
Like maybe like meat tenderizer.
Yeah, like a meat tenderizer. That's what you actually need. Yeah, this it'll just release some of the water, right? We're trying see that. What we're trying to do is just dry it off as much as we can. That way, by the time we put it in the oven, it'll be kind of fully dry. Ooh. Okay, cut. I cut diagonal. Some people cut this way. Crisscross pattern. Teacher. Right. You get the weight. Put it on put the pork belly on a scale. You can use 2 to 3% salt. That'll typically get you pretty good. Corn 1%, 1 to 2% of the weight of the pork belly. Okay. Lemongrass goes down first. Crisscross. Right? That's because I bashed it. Onions on top of that. Then pick up these things. Garlic. Spread it to both sides. Then what will happen tomorrow when we take it out and shower it with a little bit of salt. That's good. Just using some of this, and then I can just chop that for the sausawan tomorrow. Okay, this is where kind of people get tripped up. There's 2 ways that you can tie this. The simplest way. How do you do this? Do you know how to do this? The one hand?
No.
No. Okay. Well, simplest method is this. Takes a lot of work, but you do this essentially, right? Double the length of this. This is good. What you would do is you would get 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! So that's 6. That's 7. And then that's 8. Right? Cut this just like this. Take all the ends. Cut that. That's good. Yeah. Don't capture all of it. Cut this. Okay. First one in the middle. Okay. Kind of in the middle. Fold. Two around. Right? Two around. That's gonna self-tighten, and then one over. The hard one is really this first one. It's gonna be loose. The first one's like to hold in place. Next one at the edge. Same exact technique, but now there's something that's holding this, right?
Yes.
Once you do that, this will be significantly easier. 1, 2. That's kind of designed to hold it in place while you figure this piece out. Just called overhand nuts. Try to keep everything inside. It's even. Again. 2 loops. Okay. And then how I do it is I just take what's in between of this. These two, take it in between, that's your next nut. Put the stuff back. One more.
It's easy.
Yeah, easy.
I don't do the hard one. Then I crisscross that.
Huh?
Then I do crisscross.
Why?
Too many ties.
Too many ties? No, you don't need that. All you need is this, like 2 inches apart or so. The only reason I'm wearing gloves is because it's free. Amazon.
That's good.
It's good to wear gloves. It's food safe. Now, this middle one, obviously good. It's good right there. Move this a little bit, just so it's a little more equal, right? Because now you don't really need the middle one to hold. Okay, this one, move over a little bit. Add one over here. Wait, missed it. 1, 2. Now, just trim all these. I have done this too in the past, where I put a nut at the end. What it will do is close the ends.
I did that too.
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, I should stitch that.
Hmm?
Stitch.
I have one.
Like the...
Like the regular,
yeah.
like for suturing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I kind of learned how to do this. But it takes a long time because you poke, 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 and then pull, poke, 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 pull, poke, poke, poke. The fastest way to do this is actually using the box. Just same thing. You just do overhand nuts in there. Hmm? Okay, put this in a tray, back in the fridge overnight, and then we will see it tomorrow morning. Or lunchtime. 10 o'clock. Lunchtime! That's good. Oh.
Yeah, that's what we did before.
Yeah, that's good. Just get a tray, elevate a little bit. The salt's gonna draw everything out. Okay,
Open, right?
fridge, just
No
like this.
cover.
No cover. Yeah. We'll see that pork belly and essentially put it in the oven and then boil it. We'll see. Okay. The pork has been in the oven for 3 hours at 310. So now essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a brush, get the fat from the oil. I kind of already did it, but I'm gonna show you guys. Get the oil from the drippings, and you're just gonna brush it all over. Show that right now. Open. And you're just gonna do that. You're gonna do it everywhere, 360 degrees, right? Sorry about that. So 3.5 hours of 300. And then this is about 20 minutes in high broil to get this chicharon. And then rest for about 20 minutes, and then we can start cutting. Okay, guys. We're gonna see if this is gonna be good. I just said, I've repeated myself.
Tap. Yay. Wow. Wow. Perfect.
Ang tamis na ito sa loob. Because we use sweet onion. That's good. Right. Sayang yung mga taba. Nakakapanghinayang.
Why don't you bring that? Aish. Ang lakar, huh? Daya. Asya na. Not enough.
No, that's enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Yes, chef.
Yes. Take and try.
No. Kuha ka na ito. Give me a little bit of that crunch, a little bit of that crunch. Do this.
I'll try. You want onion? Let's try this. Sweet onion.
It's good.
It's good.